In the last video, you saw me disassemble two EA60 gearboxes, one from a Lotus Evora, one from a Toyota Auris. This Lotus Evora gearbox has the short shift gear ratios, which means the gears inside are physically smaller, giving you a lower ratio, giving the car a sportier feel. As you can see, these are the two of the same gear, this one being smaller. Now, in this gearbox, this gear here shredded its teeth on the inside, which also broke this gear, this bearing, although actually I don't know which one happened first, and has also damaged these teeth. So I've got myself another separate donor Auris gearbox, taking the input shaft for that out. It's exactly the same number of teeth here and here, same dimensions, fits. So what I'm going to do is I've bought myself from Lotus, genuine part, wasn't too expensive, a replacement 6th gear for the input shaft. So I'll be getting rid of that. Instead of buying this bearing again from Lotus or this input shaft, I'm going to take the one from the Auris, which is exactly the same, put that in, get rid of this, get rid of all these gears, reassemble this, which means that when I put it all back together, I will have a working short shift gear ratio box, and once I've done the modifications to the outer housing, the bell housing for the Auris, then I will have a standard ratio gearbox, both that can go on the 2GR engine, just as it is in the Lotus Evora, which will then go in my MR2. So here we have it. That's those gears all back together. The input shaft ready to go back in. I have the housing here. This fits in like that. This gearbox is now ready to go back together. I'm going to need to do the machining on the other gearbox. I've got here a quick little prototype mock-up 3D printed bracket that I'll be showing you a bit more of at a later date to hold the starter motor in place, because in the Evora application I actually have, this is the Lotus, so in the Lotus application, or the Evora application, the starter motor sits on a different bracket, which is this bracket here, which I got from Lotus, again from Bell & Covil. That goes in there, like so. Sits on there like that, and there's an adapter plate that sits on here that the gearbox bolts to, that bolts to the engine, and this bracket bolts to that. So I am going to, because I'm not going to run that in the MR2, I'm going to make my own, machine my own little bracket that will bolt onto here. I think it's through these two holes here, so I need to do some modification there, because on this bolts up to the 2GR, but it doesn't use all of the bolting holes. So yeah, I'll be making my own. Thanks for watching. If you want to see where these parts came from, you can click the video on your screen now. If not, I'll see you in the next video where we will be machining the Auris bell housing.